That's how it looks. The back. The light is not flickering anymore. There's a lot of snow. Look at the snowbanks there. How it looks in front of this big all-terrain vehicle. It's a big Toyota. Look at that. It's higher than a Toyota. Here. Here's my car. See? Look at that. I'm walking. The stuff is twice my height or 3 times. Look at that. Here we go. Another view here. Look at that. That's gigantic. We have that until May. If it's not too warm, will they stay like? Look at that. Look at that. Now it's Stop and Shop. Look at the pines. Look at the pine. And it's brisk, super cold. We need a second hat actually. If I were to stay a long time outside, like for a hike. Look at the snow pile behind my car. Look at the snow pile. Oh my god. Go home.